Hello, Brandon. Sorry for my spoken English. It has been a long time since I tried to speak English. Let's take a look at the state of the project. The main thing to say is that the actor from the game can buy a virtual banana. The project consists of two plugins: gRPC runtime. It's a gRPC runtime, and the wallet itself. It's an API for the LND node. There's also third part of the project. It's a number of widgets which allow to user actually manage LND node and manage wallet. There's also fourth part of the project. It's a number of scripts. The scripts is in the different language. There is a script in Python, scripts in Golang, scripts in C++, and scripts in PowerShell. In this video we review only PowerShell scripts, and other scripts I will review in the documentation. These PowerShell scripts simplify Bitcoin D node management and the second LND node, which will receive payment. First of all, we have to start Bitcoin D node. There's a script there's a script restart Bitcoin D. Let's create a PowerShell and run this script. Restart Bitcoin D. It will generate 501 blocks. This number of blocks required by the Lightning Network. And we have to remember this address. We will return it later. We will return to it later. The second thing we have to do is to start the second LND node. This node will receive the payments. PowerShell. There is a script. Start second LND. Also, let's copy this address. Let's copy this address. Let's copy this address into generate to address script. We will return it to later. It's required. Save. And start the second LND node. Start second LND. It will ask us to create new password. Confirm it. In this place we press N, no, and next press enter. Let's wait for a couple of seconds until the wallet will be initialized. the wallet have been initialized and we got this identity public key. This is a public key for the receiving LND node. This node will receive payments. The next thing to do is to initialize our client. This is a Visual Studio Unreal Engine project. Let's run Unreal Engine editor. And also I have to say that after the wallet have been initialized, we have to wait for 5 minutes until this new wallet will synchronize with this new blockchain, because we generate 101 block and it will require to the node for 5 minutes to synchronize with this blockchain. There is an issue on the GitHub how to make it quickly, how to make it faster. So there's a issue on the GitHub how to not to wait for so long time. The work in the progress. So we return it to our client. This is Unreal Engine editor, and we actually can start the game. This widget is for the LND node management, and this widget is for the wallet management. Let's remove all wallets. We can see log messages. Log messages in this window, and now we can start the node. The node has been started, and for the first time after we remove the wallet, we have to initialize new wallet. There is a default password. Actually, this is a pre-setup, and initialize wallet. For now, the software is single-threaded, and the game developers will have to choose the model which they want to implement multiple threading. The wallet was initialized, and we have got a recovery phrase. This number of words have to be used when we will need to restore the wallet. And as in the previous case with the second LND node, in this case we also have to wait for 5 minutes until the wallet will synchronize with the blockchain. It's been 5 minutes, and the wallet was synchronized. The next thing we have to do is to generate the address for this wallet. And Actually, in this stage, in this step, we have to fund this wallet. We can see two different balances in there. The first balance is a Bitcoin balance. Is the balance in Bitcoins. This is a total balance, confirmed balance, and unconfirmed balance. And this is a channel balance. This number show how many funds in channels. So let's fund our wallet. We have to copy this address and paste it to the script send to address. Save. PowerShell. Send to address. It sent 1 Bitcoin to the address. Let's send some more Bitcoins. For example, 3 Bitcoins. And if we take a look at this moment at the balance, we will see that the total balance is 3 Bitcoins. Confirmed balance is 0, and unconfirmed balance also 3 Bitcoins. So we have to confirm the balance. To confirm the balance, some miner have to mine Bitcoins. We are on the test network, so we will mine it by ourselves. There is a script for this. Generate to address. We have pasted this address earlier. We have pasted this address. Let's check it. Okay. And run the script. Generate to address. It will generate 10 Bitcoins. 10 blocks. It will generate 10 blocks. And as we can see, the balance was confirmed. After this, we need to create the channel. But first, we have to connect to the node. Let's copy this public key with this public key in this field and press connect to node. As we can see, the connection was established, and after the connection was established, we can already eventually open the channel with that node. We also paste this public key in this field, and this is a funding amount, and press the button open channel. And as we can see, the balance have been changed and the channel is in the pending state. In this moment, I have to notice that the software which I use for screen recording it's not the best choice, and it causes some problems because it require this software require a lot of power from the PC, and this causes some problems, but it works. So the channel is in the pending state. To make the channel to be completely opened, truly opened, we have to mine this contract, because the channel is a contract, and we have to mine some blocks generate to address. We have to mine some blocks to make contract fully opened, and we see the channel balance is not zero. This balance have been reduced because the money is now in the channel, and we can see the channel is opened channel. Now actually we can buy something. But I have to notice that to buy something we have to generate the receiving node have to generate an invoice. Generate invoice. So the receiving node, the second node, have to generate an invoice, and by this time, for now, by this time, we have to paste it manually, because there's some infrastructure needed in the gameplay, so the game server is needed to make these payments to get automatically, to get transparent. So to be transparent, we have some game server, or we have in other words, we have to even more complicate the software. But at this stage we just generate the invoice, copy it and let's see how it will happen. So we can walk on the room. There's a room, so and there's all banana. When we go close to the banana, the widget will appear, and let's see in the balance. And now we have to paste this payment request, but at this time we paste it manually, but when there will be a game server or some sort of networking connection to the second node, it will happen automatically. And press the buy button. The banana has disappeared, and the channel balance was reduced. And let's go to the receiving node, and let's check the balance of the receiving node. Second node balance. We see that some satoshis appears in this balance. Also, let's see how we can stop the node. And actually we can exit the game. And let's start the game again. Let's press the start button. In this time we did not remove, in this time we do not remove the wallet. The node has been started, and in this time we have to press unlock the wallet because our wallet already initialized and it has some money on it. We have to press unlock the wallet button. And we see that all balances appeared in here. Open the channels, and now we have to wait until the connection between nodes. We have to wait the connection between nodes, and the connection was established. Open channels, balance, and we can buy or banana again, for example. But for the first time we have to generate we have to generate an invoice from the receiving node. Copy it, and when we go close to this banana, we can to pass this invoice. But as I already said, if there will be some sort of game server or some sort of the connection to the receiving node, this will happen automatically. This by the banana was disappeared and the balance was reduced. And let's go to the receiving node and check its balance. And the balance, as we can see, the balance has been increased. Also, there is some. Also, if we, for example, we can generate one more invoice and copy it. And actually, there is a window. There's a window payment request. So for example, we can go far away, and we can, let's remember, this is our balance, and we payment and send payment. So we can just send payment from this wallet to the receiving node. Let's check the balance. We see the balance has been increased. We can stop the node. And we can start this node again. And after the node has been restarted, we have to unlock the wallet, and we see our balances, open the channels, and connection, waiting for the connections. It is how it works, Brandon, by this time. Also, there's a lot of scripts. Also, I will write some more documentation of how to build all this stuff, because there's a gRPC runtime which will be pretty stressful to make it worse, because it was not compiled, I have to fix some misconsistencies in the code. But as you can see, this prototype is working. We can buy banana. The wallet is our wallet is survive. Our wallet is surviving. Stop the node. Let's play. Let's start this game one more time. LND node. Start. Press start button. Unlock the wallet. Balances. Waiting for it connects to the node, and after it connects to the node, and after it connects to the node, let's generate one more payment request, invoice. And for example, we can walk, we can so there's some gameplay, and when we want to buy this banana, we just paste this payment request and press the buy button. Banana disappears and channel balance was reduced. It's all I wanted to show you in this video. Please review